Welcome to this complete Lugano, Switzerland travel guide. Nestled within the heart of Europe, Lugano is a gem of a city, boasting serene lakes, majestic mountains, and a rich cultural tapestry. We'll be your travel companions as we delve into 14 must-see spots in Lugano, from the tranquil Parco Chiani to the stunning views atop Monte Generoso. We'll explore museums, take funicular rides, and even embark on a boat cruise. So buckle up and get ready to explore the enchanting city of Lugano. Begin your adventure with a visit to Parco Chiani, Lugano's green heart. This urban oasis flaunts meticulously manicured gardens, enchanting views of Lake Lugano, and a charming array of sculptures. It's an artist's dream, a nature lover's paradise, and a photographer's playground. The park's tranquility and exquisite beauty make it a must-visit. So whether you're an ardent botanist or a casual walker, Parco Chiani offers a refreshing retreat. Remember, a walk in Parco Chiani is like a stroll through a living art gallery. Next, take a trip up to Monte Bray. A funicular ride whisks you up to breathtaking panoramic views that'll have your camera begging for more. And nestled atop, you'll find a charming village, a delightful surprise waiting to be discovered. The mountain's trails call out to the hikers among you, promising an adventure of a lifetime. But remember, whether you're a seasoned trekker or a shutterbug, Monte Bray is not just a mountain, it's a viewpoint to marvel at Lugano's beauty. Now let's set sail on the serene waters of Lake Lugano. Picture this: a gentle breeze tousling your hair, the soothing rhythm of waves lapping against the hull, and the mesmerizing views of Lugano's cityscape unfolding before your eyes. Whether you opt for a leisurely daytime cruise or a romantic sunset sail, you're in for a treat. The lake's tranquil beauty is a spectacle in itself. A boat cruise on Lake Lugano is like sailing through a postcard. Next on our list is the Swiss miniature, a miniature version of Switzerland. It's a feast for the eyes, with its meticulous attention to detail. From the iconic Matterhorn to the medieval castles of Bellinzona, the miniatures capture the essence of Swiss landmarks. But it's not just a visual treat, the fun factor is high too. It's like stepping into a whimsical world where adults can embrace their inner child. At Swiss Miniature, you'll feel like a giant walking through a miniature Switzerland. It's time to ascend to the majestic Monte San Salvatore. Imagine the thrill of a funicular ride whisking you up the mountain, your anticipation growing with each passing moment. Once you reach the summit, your breath is stolen away by panoramic views that are nothing short of spectacular. And there, perched atop this natural masterpiece, a beautiful church stands as a beacon of tranquility amidst the awe-inspiring vista. From the top of Monte San Salvatore, Lugano lies beneath you, like a beautiful painting. Now let's take a tranquil walk along the olive trail. Imagine, if you will, a path that winds through verdant olive groves, each tree whispering stories of the Mediterranean. As we meander along, we're accompanied by breathtaking views of Lugano, a sight to behold. Along the way, informative signs reveal fascinating insights into the world of olive cultivation. It's a blend of nature, knowledge, and beauty that's simply captivating. Walking the olive trail is like stepping into a Mediterranean dream. Next, immerse yourselves in literature at the Hermann Hesse Museum. This literary sanctuary, once the home of the famous author, is now a treasure trove of his life and works. From handwritten manuscripts to personal belongings, each exhibit tells a story of Hesse's journey through life and literature. Nestled in the picturesque town of Montagnola, the museum captures the essence of Hesse's profound love for this place. A visit here truly is a literary pilgrimage every book lover should make. Let's now explore the historic Cattedrale di San Lorenzo, an architectural masterpiece that whispers tales of the past with every brick. It's a stunning blend of Romanesque and Gothic styles, with a generous sprinkle of Renaissance art. The cathedral's walls are adorned with intricate frescoes, while the terrace offers panoramic views of Lugano. It's as if the entire city is laid out beneath your feet. A visit to the Cattedrale di San Lorenzo is a journey through centuries of art and faith. Next, let's immerse ourselves in art at the Museo d'Arte della Svizzera Italiana. This museum is a jewel, boasting an extensive collection of magnificent works from world-renowned artists. The building itself is a masterpiece, blending seamlessly with the art it houses. It's a treasure trove of creativity, where every corner reveals a new perspective, sparking the imagination. From modern art to classic masterpieces, there's something for every art enthusiast. The Museo d'Arte is where the soul of Lugano's art scene truly comes alive. It's time to satisfy your sweet tooth at the Alprose Chocolate Museum. Dive into the rich, creamy history of chocolate, a tale as old as time, told through interactive exhibits that engage all your senses. From the humble cacao bean to the glossy finished bars, trace the journey of chocolate. The highlight? Delicious samples that melt in your mouth, each piece a testament to centuries of perfection. Remember, at Alprose Chocolate Museum, every bite tells a story. Now, let's ascend to the UNESCO World Heritage Site, Monte San Giorgio. In the comfort of a funicular we rise, the world unfurling beneath us. The panorama is breathtaking, the azure sky meeting the verdant mountain. But the allure of Monte San Giorgio doesn't end with the view. It's a time capsule, a repository of ancient life. Fossils whisper tales of creatures that roamed the earth millions of years ago. Monte San Giorgio is where nature's history unfolds before your eyes. Next, let's delve into the verdant botanical garden of the city of Lugano. This is a place where nature flaunts her beauty unabashedly, with a myriad of plants from all over the world. The layout is a harmonious blend of design and natural growth, creating an enchanting landscape. The atmosphere is tranquil, the air filled with the subtle perfumes of flowering plants. It's a serene oasis, where the hustle and bustle of the city feels a world away. In Lugano's botanical garden, you'll find serenity amidst nature's beauty. Now let's explore the diverse Museo della Cultura. This museum is a treasure trove of world cultures, showcasing an extensive collection that spans continents and centuries. From African art to Asian antiquities, each exhibit tells a story, revealing the rich tapestry of human history. Housed in an architectural gem, the museum itself is a testament to the beauty of blending cultures. A visit to this museum is a journey through time and space. The Museo della Cultura is a doorway to the world's myriad cultures. Finally, let's end our journey with breathtaking views from Monte Generoso. Here, a mountain railway whisks us to dizzying heights where the panorama is nothing short of spectacular. From the snow-capped Swiss Alps to the shimmering waters of Lake Lugano, it's a feast for the eyes. On top, there's an observatory, a silent sentinel standing watch over the landscape. Indeed, from Monte Generoso, the beauty of Lugano unfolds in all its glory. That's a wrap on our whirlwind tour of Lugano. We've roamed through the lush Parco Chiani, scaled the heights of Monte Bre and San Salvatore, and sailed the serene waters of Lake Lugano. We've traced the olive trail, delved into the history and culture at the museums, and savored the sweet treats at the Alprose Chocolate Museum. Each of these unique experiences beckons you to explore Lugano in your own way. So when are you booking your ticket to Lugano?